If you're watching this video, I'm not actually here. I'm actually in Vietnam, but I want to put some content out on my YouTube channel just to let you know I'm still here, you know, and I'm not going anywhere when I get back. But it's actually funny because this video is going out 2 weeks after I filmed it, and I'm actually going to Vietnam today in 6 hours time, and I haven't even packed my suitcase. I am literally trading, making YouTube videos. That is how unorganized my life is. My girlfriend's going to come back any minute now. She's like, Jamie, you packed your suitcase, you got the passports ready, we need to go to the airport. And I'm like, no, I'm editing YouTube videos. So welcome to my life. So what we're going to do is just going to have a quick trading session. You know, we're going to go over the trades that I took today. This is a beautiful buy, actually, on gold, which we just took. But let me just show you some of the results in the BD group. So this is from the top. Here we go. Here got 1%, but 1R would have been hit. Beautiful, which is nice. Is this a valid setup? Keep scrolling up to the top. Might close off early. What's that? Aussie, Japanese yen, Mogwai day to day. Beautiful. What's this? Euro, Japanese yen, Euro, Japanese yen. Everyone taking Euro, Japanese yen. The one setup I missed. GP 1-to-1, Euro, Japanese yen. Beautiful. Again, this one here, obviously, this was the before. That was the be after sort of thing. Before and after, there you go there. Beautiful. Try and find you some results here. Like I said, this is all this morning. I want to show you this one. This member got his first withdrawal from Top Step. So this is trading futures with the binary destroyer Mogwai reversal strategy. So Top Step, my first withdrawal, which is really good. GP CAD 10% hit. What's that? I don't know. That's interesting. Closed off 70% here. Jamie, good setup. Yeah, just like I said, it's a normal trading session again here. Beautiful setup, nice little TP. So let's just have a trading session, okay? This is a setup that I took literally like this morning, okay? Nice little setup on gold. And what we're going to do is we're just going to press, let me get rid of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this. And I want to show you how simple trading is, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm just going to press simulator here, right? Done, okay? This one, I wouldn't take this one because we've had this big new spike up and that is not really much of a pullback. But let's just have a trading session, okay? Because I think it's important for you to understand that you need to keep trading simple. In fact, let me show you something, right? I'll show you something that's very interesting. Okay, if I go to the London and New York Open, and I want to show you some results from a trader, okay? What's this one here? This, so someone's been funded. That's nice. Interesting. This one here. So we have a BD member. We have a few BD members, actually. But this one, I'm trying to find you. Give me a sec here. We will get there. Here, let me just read it to you, right? Look at this one here. Look at that. For a withdrawal, okay? Go to message. 1 month trading New York Open profit withdrawal, okay? And again, if I just, like I said, transparency, I will show you, okay? You know, it's not screenshotted. These are literally posts from the members. Oh, I found it. Here we go here, right? So look at this, right? This is how much is in his trading account. 36 million. What did it say? How much should I withdraw? Can I turn New York Open, you know, like this? Keep motivated, consistent profit so you can come. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is not because I am, you know, trying to show off here. All this person does is trade London and New York Open. That's all he does. He trades 2 currency pairs, 2 trades a day, and that is all. Okay, and hold on, I've lost my charts now. And the reason why I'm showing you this is I want to show you how simple trading needs to be. You don't need, hold on, let me go back to this replay. You don't need, you know, 500 currency pairs. You don't need some complicated strategy. You don't need to be just overcomplicating it. 1 currency pair or 2 currency pairs, you know, a simple strategy, a simple method, and just building that consistency, building that discipline, building that confidence. And if you're actually wondering what he trades, okay, I've actually got it here, okay? It's nothing special. It's nothing complicated. When my charts load, wait, why is it not loaded? Here we go here. Oh, it's loading. Brandon, there we go there. London Open, where's it gone? Here we go here. So all he basically does is he trades liquidity sweeps with the binary destroyer at London and New York Open. So basically he marks a specific candle. I won't go into too much detail, BD members know, but basically marks highs and lows, liquidity, waits for liquidity sweep, trades the binary destroyer, enters the trades, and, you know, off he goes, okay? That is it. Couldn't be any more simpler. And this is why I focus so much on keeping trading simple. Like, watch this, right? I'm just going to show you a simple trading session, right? And again, you'll notice here, I'm not looking at other time frames. I'm not looking at complicated price action. I'm not, you know, it's just basic. That, you know, the thing that won't make you a successful trader is you as a trader, you know, having the confidence. Like here, right? At the minute, which way is price going? It's going down, isn't it? Right? You can see from the charts, where's my, so I can draw, here we go here. If you actually look at the charts here, you can see price is making lower lows and lower highs. Okay? You can see that. So naturally, we're also below the EMA. That's it. I don't need to go in anything more detail. I'm looking for, oh, funny enough, there's a sell there. Okay? Would I take this sell? Well, funny enough, you know, yeah, I would take this sell. It has slightly touched the EMA, but it's obvious. It's pulled back. You know, what is there for me? The problem is with trading is it's so easy to talk your way out of something than it is to talk you into something, if that makes sense. There's so many things you can say to talk yourself out of this setup, but if you just take the goddamn trade, right, get your stop loss out of the way. Okay, this is gold, by the way. So obviously 20, you know, it doesn't matter where you set your stop loss. Tight stop loss, wide stop loss, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, right? Not every trade is going to be perfect. You're not going to get it right every single time, okay? Watch this one. I'll go for a tight stop loss. I might get stopped out, but I know if I get stopped out, it's because I've gone for a tight stop loss. Okay, look, did I get stopped out? Let me just turn this off. Yeah, you see? I got stopped out. But, you know, what I normally would do is I'd put a wider stop loss like that there. And as target, again, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for this low to be broken. If I know this low's being broken, I know we're going to continue into a downtrend. Okay, you've seen how we continue into a downtrend now. So now I have the confidence it's going down. Okay, now, are we going to pull back? Yeah, we could pull back. We could go all the way down to 500 pips. We could reverse and I could get stopped out. There's many things that could happen. Do I know the answer of what's going to happen? No, I don't. So this is why I'll control it. Okay, I'll move my stop loss down to break even. I'll close off a percentage of the trade. I lock in some profits. I'm now in risk free. Okay, so, you know, I can set this trade all the way down here. It doesn't matter. As the trade continues lower, I will continue to take profits. Now, you see how price is pulling back. That's normal. I'm expecting price to pull back. Okay, now I'm just going to pause it here. Now it looks like we're slowing down. You see here? It's slowing down. We had a big move down, then we had a pullback, and now it looks like we're slowing down. So I would close the trade off here. Okay, I'm going to close the trade off there. Am I right with this one? It doesn't matter if I'm right or wrong. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about money, right? Where the end goal is to have money in our trading account, profits every single month. Okay, that will tell us whether we're right and wrong. When you look at individual setups, right, it doesn't matter if it's right or wrong. I made money here. As you can see there, I probably would have got stopped out. Okay, this one here I'm not taking because that's the second pullback. Okay, so it's about managing it, right? So that trade, let's just say I made 2%. Okay, let's just say just under 2%. Now I'm not taking any more sells in this downtrend no more. I'm only looking for buys, okay? So I now instantly know we are going into an uptrend because I've got a double bottom. I've got a higher high just there. So I'm expecting a pullback, maybe some here, and then we'll rock it off. That's what I'm expecting. Is it going to happen? Well, we can only trade what we see, not what we think. Okay? So price cut, is that, come on, beautiful. Okay? So look at that. How did I know that was going to happen? Magic. Okay? It's not, I didn't actually know that was going to happen. But, you know, there's a support line. Okay? So I look at this trade. Again, this is another one I'm going to take. You see what I'm doing? Focusing on one currency pair. And I'm just doing this over and over and over and over again. Okay? So this one, I'm going to go for wider stop loss. Why am I going to go for wider stop loss? Because on the last example, I had a tighter stop loss and I got stopped out. Okay, so I've learned from my lesson to go for a slightly wider stop loss. Okay, as soon as this trade goes to a 1-to-1, I will, here we go, there you go there, beautiful. What's that, 268? Okay, there you go there, bang. So now I'm going to move my stop loss. I'm going to close off 90% of the trade. I'm now in a risk-free trade. Do I get any more out of this trade? Okay, beautiful. Stop, there. So now, you see what I did? Manage the trade again. I've now made just under 2%. So I've now made just under 4%. Okay, and I'm just trading. That is all. Okay, I'm getting better and better and better. And this is what you need to do. Okay, now price is going into an uptrend. Okay, uptrend. So I'm not taking any more buys. I'm looking for sells. Okay. So I'm looking for a big drop. Okay, am I going to get a big drop anytime at the minute? Okay, we're going sideways at the minute. We're going sideways. We're going sideways. Here we go. No, we're not. We're still going sideways. Okay, now we're coming down. Okay, now let's have a look at this. This is good. Yeah, beautiful. I'm expecting some kind of resistance area. I'm terrible at drawing. But you see how we will come to this level. So that level there. So perhaps a Mogwai signal drop. I don't know. I can just, like I said, I trade what I see, not what I think. Okay. Am I going to get that? Probably not. Prices, there you go there. So at the minute now, I'm not going to take any sells. None. Why am I not taking any sells? Because it's been in a downtrend for quite a while. I don't want to be selling right at the bottom of a downtrend. It's the worst thing you can do. How do I know that this is the bottom of a downtrend? I don't. Okay, but I know that this was the top of a downtrend. Okay, and look how far price has moved down. Okay, you see how price is starting to go sideways now? So perhaps we're going into an uptrend. Okay, I'm looking for a higher high to be formed. We're just going sideways at the minute. Okay, big push up will be nice. Or push down. Okay, here we go here. Here we go here. Watch this one. You ready? No. Okay, thought I was going to get a setup, but I'm not. Okay, price is going sideways still. Okay, here we go. I might get a setup in a minute here. No, I'm not taking this setup there. Now, this would be a nice setup, but it's just touched that EMA. So I'm not taking that trade. Any trade that touches the EMA, I'm not taking it. Now, as you can see there, I might have got a few pips out of that trade. Let me just see what happens. No, okay, so you probably would have got stopped out. But it touched the EMA. I don't like it. Anything that touches the EMA, I just won't take the trade. Not interested. Okay, I'm not interested if that price dropped 1,000 pips from this. I have a set of rules, and those rules are there for a reason. Okay, if I can't follow my own set of rules, then I shouldn't be trading. Okay, so again, looks like we're going into an uptrend. Again, see how price has touched the EMA? Not interested in the setup. Don't care if that trade wins, not interested. Okay, now price is coming down. Okay, price is going sideways again. So at the minute, I'm looking for either the high. Oh, there you go, the high's been broken. Here we go here. Is this? What's this? This is that setup. Watch this one. This is the setup that we just took, okay? So watch this. You ready? Right? Common sense. Sideways, okay? Touch the EMA. Not taking that one, okay? Boom. You see, now this is interesting, but again, this is what I'm trying to say to you. Trade what we see. Every single setup will have a reason why it wins and loses. If you are losing, work out why. Don't change strategies, whatever you do, because it will not fix your problem. Look at this one. You ready? Look. Higher high. Where is the previous high? Here. Okay, but this is also equal highs to here. But look at the lows. When you start to draw the pieces to the puzzle, uptrend, pull back, uptrend, pull back. It now is obvious, isn't it? This is going up. Now, just to be a little bit cautious, because obviously my stop loss, normally my stop loss is like way below the EMA. That's quite a big stop loss. Okay, so I don't want a stop loss that big. Okay, so I'll put my stop loss around here. So I'm fully aware my stop loss is above the EMA, because normally I like to put it above and below it, or below, if it's a buy, I like to put it below it. If it's a sell, I like to put it above the EMA. So again, I'm going to manage it at 316. Okay, now I already know this trade literally just goes flying up. I mean, look, bang, see? So that kind of, I'm cheating with this one, because literally I took this trade with the members. If I press play on here, done. Okay, as you can see here. So there you go there. So listen, right, this is what I'm trying to explain to you, and what I showed you about branding results is that, if you're going to want to become successful, right, and, you want to make lots of money in trading, millions if you want to go down that route, it doesn't need to be, you don't need thousands of currency pairs. You don't need to be looking at multiple different time frames. You don't need to make it this complicated, top-down, technical, institutional method, right? Keep it simple. Keep building that confidence, building that discipline up. Know what to do in every situation. Look at this here. I already know I'm going to be getting a setup here in the next 10 minutes. I know that. Why? Because look, downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback. Look at the MACD. That MACD will go overbought, right? And it will go overbought right at this break and retouch level just there. I'm already 5, 10, whatever. I'm already 10 minutes ahead of the market. And if that happens, I'm selling, okay? If I'm looking at multiple currency pairs, I'm not seeing this, right? And that's the key. Keep it simple. So my name's Jamie Palmer. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, drop me an email at thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.